Kamusta? Heto ang medal tally ng 19th Asian Games Hangzhou 2022 as of September 30, 2023, 9 p.m. China 111 gold, 67 silver, 34 bronze. Japan 28 gold, 38 silver, 38 bronze. South Korea 27 gold, 29 silver, 53 bronze. India 10 gold, 14 silver, 14 bronze. Uzbekistan 10 gold, 11 silver, 16 bronze. Thailand 8 gold, 3 silver, 14 bronze. Chinese Taipei 7 gold, 9 silver, 9 bronze. Hong Kong 5 gold, 15 silver, 18 bronze. North Korea 5 gold, 7 silver, 4 bronze. Iran 3 gold, 11 silver, 11 bronze. Kazakhstan 3 gold, 4 silver, 19 bronze. Malaysia 3 gold, 3 silver, 11 bronze. Indonesia 3 gold, 3 silver, 10 bronze. Bahrain 3 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Singapore 2 gold, 4 silver, 4 bronze. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Vietnam 1 gold, 2 silver, 12 bronze. Qatar 1 gold, 2 silver, 2 bronze. Philippines 1 gold, 1 silver, 6 bronze. United Arab Emirates 1 gold, 1 silver, 4 bronze. Macau, China 1 gold, 1 silver, 2 bronze. Tajikistan 1 gold, 1 silver, 2 bronze. Kuwait 1 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Kyrgyzstan 1 gold, 0 silver, 2 bronze. Saudi Arabia 1 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Mongolia 0 gold, 2 silver, 5 bronze. Jordan 0 gold, 2 silver, 1 bronze. Turkmenistan 0 gold, 1 silver, 2 bronze. Pakistan 0 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Brunei 0 gold, 1 silver, 0 bronze. Oman 0 gold, 1 silver, 0 bronze. Sri Lanka 0 gold, 1 silver, 0 bronze. Afghanistan 0 gold, 0 silver, 3 bronze. Laos 0 gold, 0 silver, 2 bronze. Bangladesh 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Iraq 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Lebanon 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Narito ang ibang team participants ng 19th Asian Games Hangzhou 2022. Bhutan, Cambodia, East Timor, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Palestine, Syria, Yemen. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.